This is the full guide to how to draw in Microsoft OneNote. Start by clicking the Draw tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. The toolbar changes to a row of pen icons on the left, highlighters next to them, then erasers and selection tools. Now pick a pen. I'm going with the black pen on the far left because black ink on a white page is easiest to read back later. Click it once, the pen button darkens and your cursor changes to a small dot, which means the pen is live. If you need to mark over text without hiding it, use the highlighter. Drag it across a printed word and you'll see the color goes on as a see-through layer, so the words underneath stay readable. That's the difference between a pen and a highlighter, and it matters when you're marking up a document. I'm going back to the pen for the actual writing. Now choose your input method. On a touchscreen, your finger works directly on the page. A stylus gives you the cleanest lines. I'm on a laptop, so I'll use a mouse. Click and drag across the page. The ink appears as soon as the mouse starts moving. If you draw a line and nothing appears, make sure the Draw tab is selected and a pen is still active. That's the one thing that trips people up. Next, click the small down arrow on the pen tool. That opens a color chooser and a line thickness panel. The default pen is fine for quick notes, but I'm going to change it. I'll pick a dark red, then select a thicker stroke, maybe the second one down. A heavier red is what I use for underlining key points in meeting notes. On a laptop screen, a thin one-point line can vanish when the notes are projected, so I keep markup pens at 2 points or heavier. Now click and drag again. The new stroke comes out red and clearly wider than the black line. Once you have the basics working, the next thing you'll reach for is the eraser. It's in the same Draw tab, on the right side of the pen row. Click the eraser once, drag it over part of your ink. Only the ink disappears, the page underneath stays clean. If you handwrite a note and want it as regular text, click the lasso select tool. Drag around your ink to select it, then click Ink to Text on the Draw tab. It turns your handwriting into typed text right on the spot. If you draw a rough circle or square, use that same lasso tool to select it. Then click Ink to Shape. OneNote straightens it into a clean shape. If this got you drawing in OneNote, like the video, subscribe for more and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.